Official Network Ninong Castro. Welcome to Ninong TV and welcome for Facebook and YouTube subscribers. Okay, it's the first video vlog that we will do for the vlog department that we have, and the newest content that we will give you is the building vlogs. Ito sa ating mga bagong programa, video vlog to learn and to educate in the buildings, how building works, what is the purposes of the buildings in our people and economy, for business, for lifestyle, for real estate, for CSR as well, for helping to rise our economy. This program is also under by the individual questions and for the blocks, we promote and we presented the building blocks. And for the first title at first content na gagawin natin dito sa vlog na ito ay The Diamond of Manila. Ninong and the family goes to Diamond Hotel, the Adventure Series. So, ang aking family and me also, because I attended online, dahil alam niyo naman, I am working in SM Surplus. So, that time, they are in the heaven and while ako po ay on duty. So, to make things happen, syempre, nag-multitasking ang ninong nyo at cover tayo ng live kung ano ba ang meron dito sa Diamond Hotel at ano yung mga program and services, food trip na pwedeng ma-adapt ng ating mga consumer and our subscribers as well, promote and to check it out what's all about the Diamond Hotel. This is in along Manila City, Diamond Hotel. So, ito yung ating unang vlog pagtalakay na tayo po ay namapasyal ng kaunti pagka may libre tayong oras at makapag-promote kung saan pwedeng mamasyal o pag-get together ang family and friends. Diba? So, dito sa Diamond Hotel, we are discovering a great kind of food trip and ambience and business and services as well. And what's all about Diamond Hotel? As one of our education para sa ating mga researchers, Diamond Hotel is set against the magnificent golden sunset of the Manila Bay. It's Diamond Hotel Philippines, a 5-star hotel in Manila. Wow! Minutes away from Manila. 5-star. Wow, 5-star pala itong hotel na mapupuntahan natin. So, for the first episode, you will witness Ninong and the family goes to Diamond Hotel to discover there the food trip, the ambience, at kung ano po yung mga be the best kaganapan na pwede nating maramdaman at maranasan dito sa Diamond Hotel. So, do it! Check it out!
Welcome to Diamond Hotel here at Manila City. This is a 5-star hotel that me and my family visited. A great ambience, a food trip with great design, and also a luxury that you will discover here. That we eat is a vegetable with meat and some rice and dessert with juices. Spotted with a shiny and shimmery lights. Wow, a Christmas light, and we also have the chandelier with a round table in the ballroom place. The place where the event do their activities here. Me and my family attend this and your Ninong through online virtual. Now, we will give you is the best of food trips and also a great item that you can have in Diamond Hotel. We have the cake that sounds and looks delicious and really dedicated for the visitors. So this is the food trip that we eat. We have those of the meats, pasta, and some of the cakes and dessert. And this is the, as I mentioned earlier, the entrance as well in Manila that you will discover here in the Diamond Hotel. And by the way, the owner of Diamond Hotel is the one and only Mr. Ramon Ang, the businessman of Philippine Chinese community and also better known as on his San Miguel Foods Corporation. Siya pala may-ari nito. Wow! Amazing! Now we discover that this hotel is also owned by Mr. Ramon Ang. Not only the pure foods, not only the beers and some of the foods and services. So this is a great place where you can do your staycation and your vacation, your food trip, your meeting, and everything here in the Diamond Hotel. You will feel good and you will feel blessed here, of course, of this kind of ambience, the rooms, and the food trip, and the hotel that you have here. On this moment, I am attending the Diamond Hotel through online because I have my work in my surplus, and this time is my perfect time for lunch break. So after I do my lunch, I attended on their online and I see my family, my mommy and the two sisters experiencing the beautiful, the great ambience of Diamond Hotel with food trips and special occasion and events as well. So here my sisters and our mommy discovering this place, and also your Linong seeing the place of Diamond Hotel through virtual attendance, and I also feel it because I see those of the lights, those of the ambience really feel that I'm also there in this place. Okay, so this is the ambience look like sa Malacanang, or it's just like a place of Titanic, diba? So many lights and many great decorations and food trips as well. Okay, please discover me and my family in Diamond Hotel. At talagang bida ang aming naranasan doon because we attended a special event of our daddy there na sa kanyang special award nagkaroon siya ng opportunity na madala kami doon. So we are happy that the Diamond Hotel invited us na doon ganapin yung kanilang simpleng awarding na ipapamahagi sa mga workers. Isa sa aming family culture, of course. And of course, na-discover natin yung food trip, pasyal, and ambiance. Talagang para tayong nasa Malacanang. Kasi Malacanang maraming chandelier, marami mga ilaw-ilaw. So kahit hindi Christmas, makikil mo na para kang sa Christmas party. Kasi provided na nila yung great ambience of light and production. And thank you very much sa ating mga nakasama, si Marco, my two sisters, si Aya and si Princess sa kanilang cooperation na makapag-gawa tayo ng ganitong program. So,
This is also part of in-demand vlog na ating napapanood sa mga YouTubers. They are vlogging those of the food trip, those of the ambience, those of the hotel, and the pasyal. So, dito po sa NTV Corporation, sa ating kalitan, meron na rin po tayong programa na pwedeng makapagbigay sa kanila ng mga ganitong kinds of show so that they can be educated, they can be entertained, makaisip sila kung saan sila pwedeng kumain or kumasyal because of our works and production na ating nagpapasya. Alright. For the next episode, syempre, part ng ating servisyo, magbigay tayo ng after we experience those of the good ambience. Ito naman yung programa na isinasagawa ng Diamond Hotel. Ano yung mga CSR nila? As you feel blessed kung nalong dito, ano yung services o yung mga programa na pwedeng makatulong itong hotel na ito na siyempre, hindi lang naman tayo for achievement, hindi lang naman tayo for obligation. Minsan, kailangan din natin magbigay ng pag-ibig sa kapwa. So this program is also aiming in driving CSR so that we are educating yung mga vloggers, yung mga watchers natin. Hindi lang po tayo mag-cover ng mga ganitong bagay. Tuturuan din natin yung ating mga subscribers na gumawa ng mabuti sa kapwa. At maliit na bagay lang yan. Pagdating ng panahon, diba, hipunin natin yan at makikita ng Lord, you are very good person, you are doing this one. So, the next portion was all about the CSR of Diamond. Okay.
Ligaya, pagkakaisa sa bayang pinagpala ng isang buklod ng pag-ibig na dakila.
Aral ni Kristo'y ibinabandila.
Kristiyano ako, Kristiyano tayo, pagmamahalan natin ang patunay ito. Ang ating lahat ng katotohanan, bansang pangalan, lahi ng mga hinilang. Ang bayan sikap sa mabubuting gawa, Diyos ang sandigan.
Okay, thank you for watching and God bless all. Sa dito po nagtatapos ang ating video dyan na The Diamond of Manila. Ninong and the family goes to Diamond Hotel. The Adventure Services. Natin na-discover ang Adventure Series. Ayun. So, Adventure Series na may service, may fun, diba? May food trip, may ambience, may CSR as well. So, Ninong and the family goes to Diamond Hotel, the Adventure Series na ating na-discover dito. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Ninong TV and watch. And you can buy this also for 150 and 80 pesos for record if you wanted na masave sa inyong cellphone so that hindi nyo na ito mapanood na may wifi o may signal. You can watch it anytime, anywhere. Pwede ipang i-post sa inyong social media para ma-promote natin yung ating vlogs at we promote na education and entertainment as well. This is a project, first project to ng ating building vlogs. So, thank you for tuning in and for watching for one of our newest vlog department content na magtatalakay sa mga gusali, sa mga building, sa mga ambiances na meron po tayo. Diba? Kasi high-rise building, we are talking about the high-rise building, the business, the services, the CSR na ginagamitan ng building. So, yung infrastructure, nagpa-vlog tayo sa infrastructure sa pagpapagawa ng economy natin. Diba? Sa ating kalitan, itong mga instrument na to is also a great blessing na ating ma-discover. Like, if we don't have those of the building, hanggang kayo nasa cave dahil nakatira. O nasa cave yung ating mga, diba? Yung ating mga bahay, mga buildings. So, this is a new vlog content na pwede natin ma-promote yung mga pinupuntahan nating ambiances, di ba? Paano gawin ng bahay, paano gawin ng building, paano gawin ng infrastructure. So, we are giving education para sa ating mga subscribers. So, maraming salamat po. This is once again your Rinong for the Building Vlogs content. At laging magpapaalala at laging nagsasabi, no matter how tall the building and you are stressed, don't jump. Let's be blessed. Let's do the rise up and let's dream big. Parang ano lang yan high fly. So huwag tayong tatalon. Tayo po ay makakita ng mga ganitong bagay at magsilbi ito bilang inspiration. Example, you are depressed, diba? And then, you are seeing a lot of building. And then you, as a depressed person, think of that as your achievement. Think of that as your blessing. Hindi ko yung building, gawin natin ito para tayo tumalon. Pag tayo depressed. As such, so that's one of our guidance words sa ating pag-promote ng ating programa ito is to help every people to motivate yourself as you, and most of the building is your influence, most of the building is your achievement. Bawa, makagraduate ka, may bago kang experience, may bago kang learning, may blessing ka, ganyan, may bago kang work, may bago kang property. Let's think of that as your goal. And those of the building that is keep on building by, tinatapos, yun yung pangarap mo makagraduate, pangarap mo makapag-abroad, pangarap mo magkapamilya. Diba? So, everything, every matter, we are discovering for a dream. We are dreaming. We are dreaming to become those. Diba? Siyempre, lahat naman yan a blessing ng Lord. So that's one of our video blog content that we are promoting here in Building Vlogs content, video blog. At magkakaroon pa ito ng mga next batches of titles to promote infrastructure, to promote building buildings, and to promote the education of discoveries and CSR. So maraming salamat po. Enjoy watching TV and subscribe more. This is once again the Building Vlogs video blog department content in the title of The Diamond of Manila. Ninong and the family goes to Diamond Adventure Series. Thank you.